Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create this gorgeous smoky eye, and I feel like everything's under $10 and haven't done the math, but everything is really affordable from the drugstore. So make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, give it a big thumbs up, and also comment down below, share it with your friends and family, and let's get started. Okay, we are recording finally. Okay, so I'm going to begin. So for my lips, I'm just going to apply this lip collagen lip gloss by Pixi. Pixi is just so freaking good. Anything from Pixi is so good, and I love their packaging. So I was gonna use my Sigma one, but I'm keeping this all drugstore. So let's test this out. So I already have my moisturizer on by Regelica Skincare. I have a separate video on that, which is a Korean skincare. I'm going to prep my face just to get it nice and moist. I'm going to use this Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist with rose water. And for the eyes, I'm going to begin by using this Almay Skin Perfector. And I'm going to apply it on my lids to color correct, you guys. I love that it's in the form of a lipstick, which it works really, really good. Just going to blend that. Okay, so after the concealer, I want to use these two eyeshadow palettes, which are both by Almay. They are just beautiful colors. This one is called the Intense Eye Color Eyeshadow Palette in browns. And this one is called Caffeine Kick. They are just really, really pretty. So I want to start off with the Caffeine Kick, and I'm gonna apply this color right here onto my crease. And I'm just bringing it outwards and inwards. I'm staying away from my brow bone. So just inwards, outwards, and swiping that. Now moving on to the other palette from Almay, I'm going to grab number 3 just to warm up this look. Apply it at the tip of my brush, and then I'm going to apply it where I apply the other shadow. I've just been craving this chocolate brown smoky eye. Super easy. So now I'm going to grab, you know what? This palette also has it. That beautiful, that gorgeous brown, dark brown chocolate shade. See, they both have it right here, and then this one right here. I'm gonna grab this one since it's stating it's for the lid. I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush so it lays on better and not like a flat shadow brush. I think a fluffy one works better because it's a darker shade. Wow, look at that, that was fast. It does have a lot of fallout. Let's start with this eye first. So I'm applying it on my crease, bringing it downwards, inwards, a little bit outwards. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a smaller brush like this, and I'm gonna grab that dark shadow and apply it on my lash line. Just going to smoke that out. I can't believe it's already September. What is it today? Today is Saturday 31st, so tomorrow will be September 1st. Oh my lord, time is just going by fast. All right, and that is how smoky I'm going to get. It looks kind of scary, but trust the process. Okay, I am going to curl these lashes. That makes a little bit of difference. My lashes are falling, like I think I ripped them off, I don't know, but like in the middle. So for mascara, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Length mascara. The wand is just so tiny. I feel like mine's drying up, girl. For my lashes, I'm going to use this Ardell lashes. They're the wispies. You know what? I'm gonna put some eyeliner because it looks kind of weird. So hold on. Oh, this makes a difference. And I am using this palette, you guys, by Wet n Wild. It says it's a limited. No, never mind. I thought it said limited edition. Oh my god, look at that beautiful green. But it's this palette, and it's the eyeshadow quad House of Thorns. I feel like this came out during Halloween, so it's that old. But I don't want to grab any eyeliner because it's kind of hard, you know, for beginners. It's easier to do your eyeshadow, your wing, with an eyeshadow, so that's why I'm doing this. I'm going to apply the lashes. Moving on to the face, I am going to be using this Milani Bright Side primer, and I have been using this a lot. I use this when I don't want to wear anything, any makeup for work. Oh my gosh, hopefully I don't get black eyeliner. And it leaves me so glowy. We're gonna see, watch. Look at that beautiful glow. Like, I just wear this along. It just leaves my skin really nice and glowy. All right, look at how pretty. Look at that glow. That is so beautiful. All right, so for foundation, I'm going to be using this Red Blonde, the color Stay foundation, and this one is in 135 Vanilla. This one does dry fast. So apply in the back of my hand, a little on the cooler side. And now let's apply it. It is on the drier side. Not one of my favorite foundations, nope. I needed to switch my foundation for you guys because I'm always using the Wet n Wild one. Just a little bit on the forehead. And now I'm going to use that concealer again by Almay. And this one is in shade Light. So that is like a lipstick. I'm going to apply it on the inner corners. Bringing it outwards. To be honest, the concealer is more moisturizing than the foundation. I'm blending that by patting right here in the outer edge, you guys. I'm grabbing a flat shade brush, and just cleaning that up so it can look nice and precise. I really don't want to set it. I'm scared to set it. I feel like it's gonna look cakey, but I'm going to be using this Revolution setting powder in Banana. I'm gonna apply that setting powder all over my face first, just to set everything. I'm applying it under my eyes just to brighten up that area. So now I'm going to bronze my face. I'm going to use an old school product that I love, you guys. And it's by I feel like everything I'm using is Wet n Wild and Revlon. This one is by Wet n Wild, the contouring palette in Caramel Toffee. And just bronze my whole face, on my forehead, under my chin. I'm going to also grab another brush like this and grab some of that bronzer and contour my nose. I'm going to remove whatever powder I had under. For blush, I'm going to use this Almay 400 Wild Berry blush. So I'm going to use it with a stippling brush. Do people still use stippling brushes? A little bit on the nose. Okay, now moving on to the lips, I'm going to be using this CoverGirl lip liner in color Caramel Nude. And this lipstick right here by CoverGirl, stick in Tempting Toffee, the 255 one. Mascara on my bottom lashes. I don't think I did a good job with my brows, but that's okay. So for my setting spray, I'm going to be using this CoverGirl setting spray. It's a Look Lock It All Day setting spray. I'm gonna cover my eyes. I don't think I'm gonna touch my face like I usually do with my foundation brush because I'm just scared because this foundation is not what I'm used to. But here you guys have the look. So pretty. I love this gorgeous smoky eye, you guys. And created this using, I bet you is everything under $10. I bet you everything's affordable here. So I hope you guys like this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave me your comments down below. Subscribe, thumbs it up, share this with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.